breaking right through. I'm a spark, I'm a flame, I'm a fuse. What's the use?
Good morning from Wengen. It is now 7:23 a.m. Well, actually, it's gonna be snowing all day. We can still explore the village even though it's snowing. We'll check out some areas also that the receptionist recommended. He gave us this map of Wengen where you can explore easy hiking trails. So I checked it and I think there are spots that I'm really interested in. But this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna tell you a quick story. I was already waiting for myself to cry because when I get overwhelmed, I tend to cry. And yesterday, when we arrived at Zurich, I was like, okay, this is beautiful, but I didn't sink in yet that we're in Switzerland. But as soon as we get in Jungfrau region, I was speechless. I usually cry when I see something so beautiful, and I was like, why am I not crying? Is it because I'm not that amazed? But then everything is just beautiful. Everything was just great. And guess what? As soon as we passed Lauterbrunnen, and then I saw Wengen. And then we checked in, and then I saw this view, and I was like, I'm just so grateful. I can't thank God enough for this opportunity. And I think everyone deserves to see this place. So far, it's highly recommended. I gotta change my glasses. This is the cable car station to Mannlichen. Mannlichen's way up there. It's closed for this season. It's under maintenance. But yeah, that's that. So we went back to the hotel just to get my hat and my scarf and get an extra umbrella because it's raining and it's cold. I think it's 30 degrees. Yeah, feels like it. Maybe, yeah. And it's foggy. So we're just gonna try to continue exploring the village. There's a worm over there, it's dead. We're gonna go to Co-op and get coffee. And we're gonna find an ATM. We're probably gonna need cash for when we explore the villages. Maybe we can find fridges. We can purchase some snacks. Medium. I don't know. Okay. You gotta pay here. Awesome looking. Oh, there's a small one for 85 francs. Ooh. This is gonna take the picture. So they really live here. Mm-hmm. The cows. Hi, Mimi. We're just enjoying the view. We're still in Wengen. Isn't it pretty? Yeah. We're in Switzerland. I still can't believe it. It's so cute. Mm-hmm. The tree. Wire for the cable car. To Mannlichen. Mannlichen is closed this season. It's okay. We'll give us a reason to come back. How much you think is the total?
200.
Let's do a self-checkout. So time check is 3:25 p.m. We're still here in Wengen. We're just gonna spend the rest of the afternoon here. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Lauterbrunnen. So yeah, see you in my next vlog. Again, thanks for watching. Bye!